All right, welcome to my channel, and this is an area view of Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. If you have never seen the drone view of Ikeja around Adeniyi Jones, join me on this exclusive video to see the area view, and you can drop your comment. What do you think about Ikeja? You know, Ikeja is the capital city of Lagos, and Ikeja is the heart of Lagos, where we have major giant commercial business. So join me on this tour, and if you are just seeing this video for the first time, do me well by turning on the notification bell for something like this. So if you are ready, come on, let's go.